Hello students, today I will study about blood transfusion, blood groups and blood clotting. In this video we will discuss these three topics. First of all, blood transfusion, the transfer of blood from one person to other person, that is called blood transfusion. Sometimes you may have seen or listened that sometimes the patients need blood because of major operation, etc. So at that time the blood of other person is taken and that is transferred to the patient. So that process of transferring of blood from one person to other person is called blood transfusion. Before transferring the blood, some things are checked, as they need to check blood group, RS factor and disease. Whatever donor is there, that should not suffer any severe disease such as HIV, etc. So donor's body is checked so that it may not have any disease, otherwise the recipient will also be suffer from that disease. So these things are checked before transferring the blood into the body of patient. So first of all, blood groups. Blood groups are four, that depends on the type of antigen they have. Antigen are a type of protein, antigen are any foreign material that towards that the body respond, means some antibodies are formed in the body, so they are called antigens. So here antigens, some antigens are attached to the blood cells. So according to the presence of antigens, the blood groups are there. Blood groups are of four types, that is A, B, AB and O. Four types of blood groups are there. A blood group A have antigen A on the cells, that is antigen on the red cells, red blood cells. So in blood group A, antigen A is there and antibody are formed into the body, so they are present in the plasma. So in blood group A, on the cells the antigen A is there, in the plasma antibody B is there. In B, blood group B, antigen B is there and antigen A is there in the plasma. In blood group AB, antigen A and B both are there, but antibody are not there. In O group, that is also called zero group, in that antigen are not there, but both A and B antibody are there. Who can donate and to whom they can, means donate to, A can donate to whom? A and B. A can donate to A and B, blood group A and blood group B. Blood group B can donate blood group A, B and blood group AB. Blood group AB can donate to AB only, and O can donate to all groups. Blood group O, the person having O blood group, that can donate the blood to all groups of the blood like A, B, AB and O. To all the four groups can be donated by O group. And receiver, if the person is receiver, means the patient whatever is going to receive the blood. So if the patient's blood group is A, so that can receive the blood of A and O group. And if the patient's, means the receiver's blood group is B, then that can receive the blood of B and O. And if the recipient have blood group AB, then that can receive the blood of all groups. And if the recipient is of O group, then that can receive only the blood of O group. So here universal donor is, that is the person who can donate to everyone, that is blood group A. The person having blood group A can donate to every group, and universal recipient, that is blood group AB, which can receive the blood of all the 4 groups. You may have listened about in blood group that positive or negative. So that depends on the RS factor. RS factor is first of all found in the rhesus monkey, and that is called RS factor. So this is also a type of antigen that present on the blood cells. So if the RS factor is present, then that is the blood group is positive, and if RS factor is absent, then it is the blood group is negative. So because of presence or absence of the RS factor, the blood group may be A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, O negative. So that is because of presence of RS factor. So presence of means at the time of transfusion, RS factor is also checked and disease are also checked. Then only blood is transferred from one person to other person. So this was about the blood groups in which universal donor, you should remember that universal donor is blood group O and universal recipient is blood group AB. AB can receive the blood of all groups, so it is universal recipient, and O can give the blood to any persons having any blood group. So that is O group is universal donor. Now about clotting of blood. In blood clotting, at the place of injury, whatever blood cells are there, so an enzyme is released from the blood cells, that is called thromboplastin. Thromboplastin enzyme is released and prothrombin is present in the blood. That prothrombin, that is a type of protein, so that is converted by the enzyme prothrombin into thrombin, and this thrombin converts fibrinogen. About fibrinogen, I may have told you that fibrinogen is a type of protein that present in the plasma. So this fibrinogen help in clotting of blood. So this fibrinogen is changed by thrombin into fibrin, and this fibrin is insoluble thread-like structure that is formed mesh of thread-like structures, and in that whatever dead cells etc. are there, that entangle and clot is formed. And after formation of clot, whatever liquid is visible, so that is serum, because in that fibrinogen is also not there. So I may have told you that when from the plasma fibrinogen protein is separated, then after that is called serum. So in this video only this much, remaining we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.